Rilla. Boom.
Septile.
Rilla.
Okay, we're
Boom
going to game
boom.
one.
There's now a game starting between the Golden Sorte and
Hold
Cipher.
on. Don't change the topic. We have a war going on. Rilla Boom's the next rep, and you know it. We all know it.
And would you look at that? John is trying to pressure Cipher's shield. John trying to get in. It's not working. Septile is so much better. John doing a damage.
Oh, now they want to commentate.
No.
Oh god.
Oh, there goes the ball.
Oh, look
Yeah,
at that
Seeing
roller.
the VODs. Seeing the VODs of this is gonna be beautiful.
Oh, it definitely will be.
What?
Yo, it's the fucking midnight VODs.
Yo, someone could highlight that commentary.
Yo. Someone needs to
Wait.
get like a curse counter.
I was
How many
thinking
time hero
it's not
curses?
even. No, okay. This isn't gonna be super foot number 2. I lied.
That broke.
I'm dead. Okay, even game.
Oh, there's the ball.
Unless we go to game 10.
Yeah, we need to restart.
Oh no, I don't want
The
to
ball
go
went
to
way
game
too
10.
far.
I don't want to go to game 10. I really just want this to end.
I'll try to make it as quick as possible, because like, if I need to win less games to win.
Oh, look at that out there.
John and I may have a rivalry, but I want him to win because this
Guess
can
what?
end faster.
What if?
You're putting
John,
him
play
close.
better!
You're putting him closer to BMM.
I don't care.
Oh,
He can take BMM's title for all I care. I just want this to be over.
I thought that's what the whole rivalry was about. That you don't want him to take his title.
No, I don't. Listen, I wasn't in this tournament. I couldn't stop it in this tournament. I will stop him on Sunday Night Brawl, Sunday Night Mayhem,
I mean me.
Sunday
Sunday Night
Smashers.
Brawl?
it's oh. Ow.
Hero, are you cheating on us with a different tournament?
No, I'm not. What?
I don't know.
No, I'm not cheating. I'm just not gonna participate in the games anymore because, well, Monday night
What?
gets me money if I win.
Mm.
But you have to win first.
Yeah, I know.
What about Earthquake?
I actually participate in Earthquake
Look how long.
and like every other side event, just not Monday.
Rip.
Well, that is until I get a job.
Go.
If I get another job, which hopefully eventually I do. But yeah.
I'm not dead yet.
Guy ball.
I pressed the
dead.
neutral B button.
Rip.
Okay, I'm actually mad about that though, because I pressed the B button. I reflected that.
Need 6 to win that time.
Like, I actually reflected. Okay, you know, focus music has to go on, I guess. I didn't want. I didn't know how effective it was going to be at this late, but I gotta put it on. Like, I'm actually mad at him, though, because I pressed the B button. I reacted to it, but the game said no.
Yo, people in the chat, question
Nope,
for
I
you.
did.
Does anyone here like Kung Fu movies? I know it's a stupid question, but like, does anyone like a good old martial arts film?
On the other hand,
And you know what? If you do watch martial arts film, what is your favorite?
Kung Fu Panda.
That doesn't. No. That doesn't count. I will admit, Kung Fu Panda is good.
You said Kung Fu movie. Kung Fu Panda.
Yes, but no, I mean like a
Oh,
Chinese
come on.
martial
How
arts
would you-
movie.
Kung Fu Panda.
That's not no.
You can't change my mind.
That's not animated.
Kung Fu Panda.
But that's animated.
Jack Black's in it. It's okay.
Okay, as much as I love Jack Black, no.
The upbeat from John?
Oh, what?
Oh, look at that down.
Aww. John takes a stack.
Taking the lead. And
Wait, I thought-
Wait,
Cool.
hold up. How many viewers do we got?
5.
5?
No,
Oh, God,
I'm joking.
we had like 9 earlier.
I'm joking. I don't actually know. I'm not actually looking.
Oh, fudge. We have 3!
We have and another viewer.
We have me, I'm watching.
We have Anton. We have Cipher. We have Commander Root. We have Feet.
Where are you seeing these other people?
We have Larux. And we have Tradingus. And John. I'll see
okay.
Hero.
Well, I just got off, that's why.
Oh. Where do you see it? You see it on the chat. It says the little 2 humans.
Picture not.
That shows you. Which apparently Rock thought was a mod feature,
Well then.
but it's not.
Alright. John with a slight lead. Only in percentage though. But we all know how this game goes. Anything can happen.
Oh, come on.
Like that.
Exactly.
Ah!
We call that commentator's curse, boys and girls.
And the forward smash
Well-
from John taking the sock.
Actually, I don't know how many girls actually watched.
Okay, Hero.
Because I know in Smash 4 we actually had a couple good female players like Jade who beat people like Pink Fresh and all that, but I don't know if that's like either diminished or anything. So
I've definitely seen a few female Ultimate players.
Lily Pichu doesn't count.
I wasn't talking about that person, but alright.
Okay.
But not a whole lot.
Yeah, I was about to say I don't think the Smash scene is big for females,
Nope.
which is kind of sad because anyone can play this game. At one point, my girlfriend could play on my level.
Good.
Could. And then she stopped playing.
Oh my, that's actually dumb. That's actually dumb.
Calm down, John.
I'm so tired.
I'm tired too. To be fair, I'm not playing. I spent all of my time playing earlier, so. I wasn't gonna play in a tournament and then immediately bounce back, play another tournament. My mental fortitude is minuscule in comparison right now.
I thought you were in this tournament first at the beginning because someone said good luck to you or something.
Oh no 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 no! That was
Oh,
was that Eggman's egg dick?
What? I don't remember who it
That's
was.
his name. That's his name on Discord.
I don't remember who it was.
Wait, hold up. Let me go back up to the general because we had 2 new people, right?
We had a few new people, yeah.
But 2 of them specifically went in the general and like made themselves known. Hold up.
I guess, yeah.
We had Thumb and Turtle Man. And I said, and you said, and they both said, me too, this is my first. You said, welcome both of you, because you were welcoming them. I said, actually, I'm doing this in the wrong order. Hold up, I am
You
way
said,
tired.
okay.
So Thumb said, me too, this is my first. You said, welcome both of you. Thumb said, just hope don't lose round 1. And I said, absolutely. And then Eggman's egg dick said, join the club, bro. And I said, it's okay, there are a few really good players, and then there's me. I'm bad, so you'll do fine. And then Eggman says, bro, don't count yourself out before the tourney starts. I'm not in. Oh, and then, yeah. So no, I'm not in. I wasn't in the first place. We just had a fun little conversation.
My gosh, what? What?
I'm just gonna be quiet so John can concentrate.
Oh.
Or maybe I can actually do my job. That'd be a good idea too.
I'll be.
Alright. John with the ledge guard. Inkling coming in, spamming back airs like all Inklings do. It's a good tactic, to be fair.
Inklings. We could possibly
John,
see a reset.
We could possibly see a reset, absolutely. But I think for everyone's sake, nobody wants to see that.
I feel bad for Cipher because I feel like that's
I feel bad for Cipher too.
I feel like that's the boat he's always
he
in
probably
for
really
Super
wants to
Earthquake.
win, and I'm egging him over here, and I really shouldn't be.
No, I just feel bad for Cipher because he's always in these late Super Earthquakes. And he's always on the loser's side, and everyone doesn't want him to win because they don't want
Never
the
on the
reset.
winners. Yeah. I'm sorry, Cipher. I'm honestly not hating on you at all.
Well,
I just don't want to be here for much longer. I want to go to bed. I have a caring, loving girlfriend. I want to go to bed with her for once.
For once.
That's a story for another time.
Okay.
Point is, I like to stay up really late anyways, but I'm trying to semi-fix that.
Sam.
Is DJ okay?
What?
Okay. Nothing, just hearing my nephew cough in the other room.
John do be bringing this back though.
That somehow hit below ledge. That didn't look right.
Mutual special from John.
John just looking the way to get a little bit more damage before he goes for the kill. Cipher as well.
Carrying 2 hits of that gun.
Of jab. Of gun.
Of gun.
Inkling doesn't have a gun. Inkling has a squirt bottle.
of gun, alright? It's gun now. Past 11 o'clock, it's gun.
Past midnight with gun.
For you.
Yeah. Both of these players just looking to end it now. And John does it. It is 2-2.
2-1.
That's 2-2.
It's 2-1.
No. Wait.
John hasn't won
2-2,
again.
right? Did
Smash?
John know?
Oh, good.
John hasn't won a game.
What the fuck?
Like,
I thought he did. I thought he won one before.
Nope. This is only game 3.
Oh my god.
training league off. As in, I took off my controller off.
You took your controller off what?
I don't know.
Okay. Hey Hero, could you imagine that it's so late that KK is here?
Yo. Hi, Slider. It's KK Slider. We've played so late that he's actually here today.
Oh, come on. I'm dead.
Oh!
Oh.
That'll be it.
I should probably play this, not whatever's playing.
Hey,
Or else the VOD's gonna be muted.
Or else the VOD's gonna be muted. That's no good.
Yeah.
I don't want the VOD to be muted when things happen
It's okay.
because
I
of
can't have a playlist.
YouTube copyright strict.
It's actually
Is it-
Twitch that would mute it.
Oh my gosh, I can't react. I can't react. I actually can't react. Oh my gosh, I hate an inkling on this dude. Or if I were to say hello, so you can do that. You should. No, that would be good.
I don't think he hears us.
I have no idea.
No.
Did he deafen himself?
Oh, I'm not deafened. I
Alright,
just can't-
alright. He hears us. Back air
I
from
hate
Cipher.
Back air. It's just so dumb.
Inkling back air is really dumb. You are not wrong.
Getting the grab. Back
Back
throw.
throw.
I'm dead.
And the back air.
A clean 3-stock from Cipher.
I hate this matchup so much. I'm too tired for this.
So does Genos.
I am too tired for this. I always
Genos
lose.
despises
I'm
this
too
matchup
tired.
as well.
It's 12:30 p.m. by the time I get to do grand final.
Yeah.
I'm so sick and tired of it. I always lose. I'm too tired. Like, it always happens. I can't do anything about it. I can't not be tired. it just sucks. It just sucks. but it always has to be like 12. Yeah, she's like really late. Got tired.
Da 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 da. We have a bracket reset. Yes, we do.
Sadly.
Now I don't care who wins because this is all pointless. My brain has turned off. I don't know where I'm going.
Where they're going town or PS. I think we can do it.
That's gonna be in the VOD.
I gotta go into the catalog of music and try to pick the one that's gonna make me win.
Jesse, you can add that out of the VOD, right?
What out?
No.
Never mind.
Well, if you tell me what, then maybe.
Can you edit out the me singing with my brain turned off?
I forgot. Are you kidding me? Why is Lilat a starter? I forgot about that. I'm just so used to Town being a starter.
Town is best starter.
It's just Town's better. Better in my opinion. Lilat.
Town's not best starter. But if we're being really technical, PS2 I guess is the most balanced stage, if you could even call it that. Because it gives every character a chance to be good in some manner. I just don't like it.
Oh, why don't you like it?
Because everybody picks it!
Because it's so balanced.
You want PS2 to start?
Bro, the music won't start. I gotta go without it.
It's okay, you have Jesse's beautiful voice.
Oh, I'm dead. Oh, actually.
Yo, Jesse, keep laughing. We gotta make this man laugh.
Yeah, I just need to be in a good mood.
I don't
Hey,
know.
Jesse, have you ever seen the meme where that guy tries to pet his dog and he's biting his...
And he's biting his what?
And the dog's just biting his hand?
No. What?
Okay, so there's a guy who explains after every day he comes home from work, he likes to pet his dog because it's supposed to relieve stress, and he just does it, and the dog just gives no nothing. He doesn't care at all. The dog is having none of it, and it's just biting his hand the whole time. He tries to pet it, and then he's just biting his hand. It's great. No, it's fine.
Nom 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 nom.
The video is just fun. Communication error has occurred.
No more singing.
Hey Kim, you want to commentate? Why not? Oh, come on, even as a joke.
Yeah, you have your girlfriend commentate, and I'll have my dog commentate.
It's okay. Nobody understands what's going on when we play Smash Bros. So trust me, you're fine. I mean, that is. Yes, they can. You're on stream.
Yay. Yeah, I'll just do my thing from back here. and
You're
show you-
popular. I get it. No, shut up. I'm kidding.
Popular.
I love.
So we can win this. Pump off time.
What are they popular from?
I don't know what she's popular from.
So you a famous actor?
Figure out where I find it. Do tell me.
Here we go.
You were popular in the Mediterranean.
So I gotta go
always
ahead,
wanted to
then,
be
go
talking to me
ahead.
there.
Oh.
Vacation.
Are you asking me?
Hey,
Oh,
what,
you're
is
going
it
on a
probably planning
vacation?
to go to someplace like that?
I don't know. I didn't buy the condo.
You're going on vacation, Hero?
No, I am not.
Oh.
I don't want to go on vacation. That means I can't play Smash Bros. Tournaments.
Says who?
But in the hotel room.
Oh no. Okay, I'm dead.
That's
Yeah, you can.
boring. I don't want to do it for my hotel room. Are you kidding me? Hotel has garbage Wi-Fi.
It's probably better than some people's Wi-Fi.
Oh yeah.
You know what? Fair enough. Yo, it's better than John's Wi-Fi after the bill's been paid.
Oh yeah.
You mean before the bills were paid?
Wait, was it before the bills were paid, or was that after?
I don't know.
God,
John's in a set.
he is in a set. He's in a mindset.
Of not talking to us. We're not his friends. You don't like us.
Nope. Nope, he's ignoring us. Well, I mean, I'm his rival, so it makes sense he doesn't want to talk to me, but come on.
Oh!
Yes.
John takes game. Number whatever.
Yeah, 6?
1.
It's game 1, but it's game 6.
How if the last set didn't go to game 5?
Well, no, it's the first set of this game, or it's the first game of this set. Wow.
Yeah, but that would mean the last set went to game 5.
Yes, last set went to game 5, so now they're on game 6 in total.
It went to
Wait,
game
no.
4.
Last game 4.
This is
Oh,
game
no, wait, you
5
are right.
that we just did.
Oh, game 5, yeah. Wait.
This music kind of helped.
It is way too late for me to be doing quick maths. I'm gonna start singing again.
No, no, I don't want to edit that out.
It's okay, you don't actually have to edit it out. I was kidding. I'm not gonna force you to edit things out, okay? Unless I actually did something super bad that you would absolutely need to edit it out. That's about it.
Gamer P.
Yo, how much?
Okay, we're going back.
Yo, I heard John is an e-girl.
What you
Yo,
heard?
is this true?
What? What was that? Oh, now I gotta put back on my foot.
I just got away with that. That is, I'm a horrible creature.
Zandubia. Confirmed.
He doesn't even know what's happening.
To be fair, do we really even know?
I don't know. You have a point. Back throw. Din's fire.
Trying to
Inkling
get the
recovers
upper.
high. I don't know what to do. John ate a forward for the face, is now eating a jab. Now Zelda's all covered in ink, like I'm pretty sure a bunch of people do.
Ah.
So,
What?
yeah, no. This is over midnight. This is over midnight, hero. This is not okay.
I don't even want to ask what you were saying there, but alright.
No, just don't. Trust me, you don't need to know.
Okay.
I am so tired. Someone kill the other person. Come on. That's a very gladiatorial way to think of this.
Someone kill someone.
Yeah, basically.
I'm excited for this VOD specifically.
Yeah. I'm
It's
so
just
sorry, this
commentators.
VOD.
Commentators just chanting for the someone to win.
I'm dead. Okay, no, I'm not.
Can we get on Yeet Smash for the lamest commentators or something? I don't know.
Oh no, absolutely.
Let's go.
Better than some commentators, though.
Are we?
Yeah, honestly. I've seen a couple others. Like the other tournament I went to today. Their commentators were boring. They weren't interesting at all. And the worst part is, they had a halftime show! With a trap DJ! I kid you not! It was so bad! No, it was awful!
Should SOG
God,
start
and
having
it was
a
30 minutes!
Okay.
Should SOG start having a halftime show?
No! No, 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 no! No halftime shows!
Halftime show is just random dudes.
Pretty
Yes.
much.
But no trap DJs or people who just want to hit up the club.
Wait, they hired a DJ to be a halftime show?
Yes.
Okay. Did
Yeah,
they
mind
stop
you, this is a
bracket
local
for that?
place. Yes, they did.
Dang.
Yeah, no, it was not okay. Also, I know I said something about losers bracket, and you're right, every tournament does it, but this losers bracket was far worse.
Yes.
Because the tournament I was in was called Run the Ropes.
Might be dead. Okay,
Dang.
that's fine.
It had an interesting concept. Basically, you picked one of three weights. You picked heavyweight, middleweight, or lightweight. And you selected a character from that weight. And you played that character in tournament. I played Yoshi, so I went into midweight. After winners round, actually I think it was winners quarters, I went to losers. I lost to another Yoshi because I did an oopsies a couple times. And he profited. So, I went on the losers bracket. I had to wait 2 hours for my next match.
Dang.
That was not okay.
In losers bracket, you had to wait for 2 hours?
Yes.
So there was worse.
Yes, I said it was worse.
Oh, I thought you said we were the worst.
Oh, no, you're not the worst. They were worse. This tournament I went to was awful.
Dang.
Yes, it may have had a $150 prize pool, but I don't want to do another one of those tournaments. That was bad.
Here we go.
I just realized John's name just like covers the or just covers like the thing. So it just goes off the screen. It's funny. Oh, look at that grab up throw.
I hate doing that. Just shield trap. Can't do anything about it. Oops on my and so literally you're stuck. I can't believe I almost died here.
Jesse, what's the score?
1-1. Yeah, we're only that far.
Yeah, this music isn't working out. I'm not happy.
I could start singing copyrighted songs.
Yeah.
No, thanks.
Then I'll get demonetized on the YouTube.
No. Here, just got us muted.
Oh, fair enough. Oh my god, I am so tired and I don't know what to do. I don't know how to make Zelda Inkling interesting.
You don't.
Like, nobody's going for anything off stage. Like, not even trying to do something fun. Maybe a unique combo string that nobody's seen. It's just, I don't know what to do. How do you commentate this?
We don't.
Fair enough.
And then we talk about gorillas.
Gorillas?
Yes.
Yo, did you know gorillas pick ticks and fleas off of each other's backs as a sign of friendship?
No.
There you go. There's your gorilla fact of the day.
Did you know gorillas pick their nose?
Yes, I did.
Well, there you go.
That's-
There's your fact of the day.
Alright, you know what? Fair enough. you know what? I sometimes forget that fact. And one last one, just to make it a nice 3.
Oh my god.
A nice 3 facts of the day. Did you know gorillas are the closest thing to human?
Yes.
Inkling back there. So
Alright.
vulnerable.
Well, there we go. There's your gorilla facts of the day.
All in one VOD. That's a really special bonus. At this point, I'm just catering to the bots because I don't think really anyone's paying attention to the stream.
Nope.
They're all just like, I'll watch it on the VOD tomorrow.
It's way too late. It's way too late. I just need to watch the VOD. Sean with a lightning kick, Cipher dodging through Din's fire, blocking the knight, blocking the teleport, up throw, up air. Oh, who would have seen that coming?
Not me.
The random fun fact today. Although the chimpanzee is the animal we're most closely related to, do you know we share more than 60% of our DNA with banana?
What?
Yeah,
Something
60%
about
of our
ant.
DNA is the exact same as bananas.
Wait, what?
We share 60% of our DNA with a banana.
Yo, Pog.
What?
Yeah, we're 60% identical to a banana.
Oh, you might be. That might be. Oh.
Alright, well there's your actual fact of the day.
Same thing as the fly, but
None of our baby facts. That's the real fact.
Yeah, none of our gorilla facts. Just we are 60% identical to bananas.
Yes. That's
So
Pog.
there's your that's a fun fact.
Can you peel us like a banana?
Yo, that's a good question. Hey, can you peel us like a banana?
yeah, but it's bloody.
Fair enough.
Oh.
I mean, it couldn't be as bad as you when, you know.
I saw a 2 seconds horror story the other day. exactly how they phrased it.
John's a game away from winning the tournament.
And offered them a deal.
That was
They he offered this immortality in exchange for one of their organs. Now they're wishing they didn't accept because they forgot skin is also an organ.
Rip.
Ow.
Yeah, let's actually like about your skin. How about that one?
So we do peel like bananas?
We can, but it'd be bloody.
Oh.
Yeah.
What else do bananas do?
Bananas are berries. I
Okay.
think I've said this before.
Another fun fact of the day. Space smells like seared steak.
Excuse me?
Like, if we out in outer space and sniffs what steak smells like, astronauts have actually said it smells like what hot metal or searing steaks would smell like.
What?
Apparently outer space smells like steak.
Alright. The aliens are out there barbecuing.
Also, the unicorn is the national...
The aliens are barbecuing.
Yeah. Unicorn is the national...
That's why they're taking all of our cows with crop circles.
Let's go.
The unicorn is the national...
Oh, let's go,
animal of
lag.
Scotland.
That I know.
Kind of.
Is it lagging?
Yeah,
It
it's
is.
lagging. I don't know it.
The unicorn is the national animal of Scotland.
The unicorn?
The unicorn.
Dang.
Yep.
That's a... Does that exist?
Oh, another fun fact. Pringles aren't actually potato chips.
Oh no, don't ruin Pringles.
No, Kim, don't ruin Pringles. No. No, sorry. That's mandatory vote by everybody. You are not allowed to ruin Pringles.
They're still potatoes.
Really?
Kim, no.
But maybe
Find a different fun fact.
there's a giant head.
What?
There's
Okay.
a giant fish's head is transparent.
Where are you finding this?
Internet.
She looked it up.
Okay, Timmy Turner.
Timmy Turner?
Dolphins have been trained in wars.
Wait, who did you call Timmy Turmy? Timmy Turmy?
Children's
Your answer's my girlfriend, but yeah.
Children's medicine.
Does she have fairy godparents?
Yes.
Can I make a wish?
No. Because
Oh.
you don't have one of your own.
Can I have her make a wish for me with her fairy godparents?
You'd have to go past Mr. Crocker, for sure.
Wait, no, he's the teacher. He's the one searching for the fairy godparents.
Pouring sounds depending on his.
What?
Water makes different pouring sounds depending on its.
So, if rain is colder, it'll make a different sound if the rain is hot.
Yeah.
Okay.
There you go. Do we
Learn
have enough
something
fun
new
facts
every
yet?
day.
We have
This
No,
tournament's
I
not
hate
over,
that.
so no.
This tournament's not over, so keep them coming.
I still hate
dogs
that.
actually understand.
I hate that up smash. The passion.
What?
Nothing I can do about it.
Dogs actually understand.
Dogs can understand English.
Yo, dog, get over here. He didn't listen. So I don't think that's true.
Kim, this man just summoned his dog. He didn't come. It's not true.
You see, there's this thing called koalas have fingerprints.
Yo, koalas have fingerprints.
Yeah.
Pog.
Wouldn't they be paw prints?
No, they have fingers.
They have fingers? Like human fingers?
I know. Riding a roller coaster can help you pass a kidney stone.
Okay.
Can help you pass a kidney stone?
Yes. Riding a roller coaster can help you pass a kidney stone.
I think anything can help you, if you're in a roller coaster.
Sea lions dance.
Okay, that I knew.
Have you had kidney stones?
No, she stated another fact. Sea lions can dance.
And
No, I was asking you the question.
Oh, no. I've never had a kidney stone, thankfully.
nutmeg can be fatally poisonous.
I do know the pain of it.
I'm sorry.
It
Are you
was-
okay?
Yeah,
Dude,
I'm fine.
the raw nutmeg.
I passed it.
Convulsions, pain, nausea, and paranoia. It can last for several days.
Hey, I got luckier than my brother did, though.
Oh, God.
My brother
this
had
is a
it
good
like
one.
4
Kim,
times.
hold on. Damn, 4 kidney stones?
Yeah,
Might I ask how old he is, or is that asking too much?
30 something now. But he had them like when he was like a kid.
Dang. Alright, Kim, what?
Chinese police use geese squad. They've trained geese to alert law enforcement when something goes on.
The Chinese?
Chinese.
The Chinese have international geese.
No, they have police.
Here we go.
They
Finally.
have police geese.
Police geese?
They have police geese.
Do they arrest people?
They... No, their job is to honk whenever something goes wrong.
Yo. I want to go there.
Trust me, you don't want to go to China. China's bad.
The Comic Sans squad. Actual comic.
Okay, that I knew.
I mean, we might have to go somewhere.
Bruh.
Yo, fair enough.
If our country isn't blown or isn't burnt down by this point.
Ah, so you know what's going on right now, too.
Yeah, it's in my state.
Oh, it's in my state, too. Oh, that's fun.
It started in my state.
The
Okay, that it did not.
The Australian government banned the word mate
And it's
for a day.
supposedly rumored to come into my city now too.
God.
So that's Pog.
So... Okay, you know what? No, I'm not gonna bring that up during the tournament.
What were you gonna bring
I'll
up?
just talk to you... I'll just talk to you about that whole debacle after.
Okay.
Fun fact?
The Australian government banned the word mate for a day.
Make?
Mate.
Oh.
Like, good day, mate. They banned that for a day.
I
They
like
banned the word
example.
mate for a day.
But then the Prime Minister decided that mate was an important part of Australian culture, and the ban was overturned within 4 hours.
Thanos?
Okay.
What?
No, the governor of Australia decided the word mate was too much part of Australians' culture. So within 24 hours, he removed the ban of the word mate.
Oh. I heard something about Thanos. I'm like, what?
There was no talk about a purple giant with a golden glove, with more stones in it.
And tick bites can make you allergic to red meat.
Okay, that's not for stream. Or for VODs.
They're nasty.
Yeah, but we don't want to talk about things like that.
It's not that.
That's not a fun fact.
It's really fun fact. Like,
Do I want to know?
it's like from an animal.
No,
Even bugs
don't.
make you allergic. Fine. Tornadoes can cause fish to rain. Like, it can make raining fish.
yes, I know this. It picks up. Tornado is wind that picks stuff up. If a tornado were to somehow start on water and then go to land, it can pick up fish, and it can rain fish. Yes, that's science. That's logic.
Napoleon was once attacked by thousands of rabbits.
Why was short Polish man attacked by thousands of rabbits?
Napoleon was once the most powerful man in Europe. He suffered an
Cipher
injury
could
in
possibly
the
win
hands
this.
of flocks of rabbits.
He
After
could.
the military victory, Napoleon's chief of staff organized a rabbit to celebrate. Thousands of rabbits were brought in to be set loose, but instead of hopping away when the cages were opened, they turned to attack, swarming the partygoers.
Oh,
After trying and failing to shoot them away, the great Emperor Napoleon ran for safety of his carriage.
Wow.
who's taking this, Hero? We're down to the final
I-
stocks.
It's final stock, final game. I don't know. I think if John plays this smart, he has it. But if he keeps doing what he's doing, he may not make it.
This is...
Apple pie, actually American,
Okay, that I knew.
originated in Asia.
Yes. Basically, it comes down to if John gets rollered again.
Oh,
Planets rain diamonds. So not only are the aliens and barbecues, but apparently the richest fuck with all their diamonds.
What?
Some planets actually rain diamonds.
what?
Well, that's cool. Some planets can rain diamonds.
Alright. This is like actually intense.
This is very intense right now.
Like, who takes it?
Illegal.
Ooh, if John got something off that parry,
Oh.
he could have had it.
It's illegal. Like mountain.
Cipher's... It's going back and forth on who has the lead. Oh,
Nope.
that's it.
That's it. Cipher
That's
takes
it.
the tournament.
Like that.
Cipher wins.
I'm sad. That was the most brutal